Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to show guidelines in Excel. So to show or hide guidelines, click on this view tab and here to show or hide. To show, check this box. To hide, unselect this box. Similar way, you can show or hide headings. This is the formula bar. You can show or hide by clicking here. Once you check these all options, you can see the guidelines, headings and formula bar. So thanks for watching. This is the short and basic video to learn Excel. Check out the playlist. Another way you can hide any particular guidelines. Just select that area and in the home tab here select white color like this. So thanks for watching.